Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to present a topic that plays an important role in natural English communication: idioms and fixed expressions. These expressions are widely used in everyday speech, movies, books, and conversation between native speakers. Understanding them is necessary if we want to sound more fluent and confident in English. Let me begin with idioms. An idiom is a group of words that has a meaning different from the meanings of the individual words. This means that if we translate words one by one, we will not understand the real meaning. For example, the idiom "spill the beans" does not mean dropping beans on the floor. It means revealing a secret. In the same way, break the ice does not mean breaking real ice. It actually means starting a conversation in a friendly way, especially in the situations where people feel shy or uncomfortable. Idioms are often great and sometimes even funny. They come from culture, story, and traditions. Because of these idioms tell us a lot of how native speakers think and communicate. When we use idioms correctly, we make our speech sound more expressive, more emotional, and more natural. For example, instead of saying "I am very tired," a native speakers might say "I am worn out," or instead of "this is a very easy," they might say "it's a piece of cake." Now let's talk about fixed expressions. Fixed expressions is a phrase that always stays the same and is used as a whole unit. These expressions have clear meanings, but the words cannot be changed or arranged. For example, phrases like "by the way," "is a matter of fact," and "to be honest" are fixed expressions. We learn them as complete phrases, not as separate words. We often use fixed expressions at the beginning of sentence to make our speaking smoother and more natural. For example, "by the way, I have something to tell you," or "as a matter of fact, I agree with you." So, what is the difference between idioms and fixed expressions? The main difference is that idioms have a figurative or hidden meaning, while fixed expressions have a direct meaning but are simply common combinations of words. However, both play a very important role in fluent in English. Why should we learn idioms and fixed expressions? First, they help us understand native speakers, especially in movies, songs, and conversation. If we don't know idioms, we might miss the true meaning of what someone is saying. Second, they make our own speaking and writing richer. Using idioms shows that we have a good command of language. Third, these expressions help us express emotions more clearly. For example, instead of saying "I am very happy," we can say "I am over the moon." This sounds more expressive and natural. Let me share a few more idioms that are commonly used. "Once in a blue moon" means something that happens very rarely. "Kill the two birds with one stone" means achieving two things at the same time. "Let the cat out the bag" means to reveal a secret, often by accident. Another interesting idiom is "the ball is in your court," which means the next decision or action depends on you. Fixed expressions also make our communication easier. For example, when we want to give our opinion politely, we can begin with expressions like "in my opinion," "from my point of view," or as I am concerned. To conclude, idioms and fixed expressions are essential elements of English languages. They enrich our vocabulary, improve our communication skills, and help us understand the real meaning behind everyday conversation.